All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing everything Pepe, see what is happening with the price, and of course, what we could be expecting as the price goes into this upcoming new week ahead of us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of Sunday, March the 3rd, Pepe has done exactly what I covered in my update yesterday, because, in my yesterday's update, I indicated that, the momentum is looking really strong for Pepe still, and I could be expecting Pepe entering the top 50 around the $2 to $2.5 billion in terms of market valuation. And believe it or not, today it has officially reached that. So I'm not surprised at all about this move, because of course, the momentum that Pepe is seeing for itself right now is absolutely mind-boggling. But let's take a further look. If you're looking at the overall market, we're seeing some coins down, but some coins are up quite a bit. You can see Pepe is up, FTM, AXL, Woo, WIF, Bonk, Floki, EGLD. You guys can see, majority of the market is still looking really good. Just a quick reminder, on the weekly time frame, market is absolutely booming. But as we're going into the upcoming week ahead of us, you do need to see Bitcoin holding really good, which it's doing right now. So that's great, of course, but let's take it a step further, talk about Pepe, and see what we could be expecting as we go further. So if we're looking at the price as of March the 3rd, you guys can see about still 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 59.62. We're up 41% in all three comparatives, guys: Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparative. So anyone that has Pepe in their portfolio over the past 2 to 3 weeks are absolutely making massive amounts of gains. And again, this is the beauty of meme coins. Of course, they're extremely risky, and obviously this is where your due diligence and research really comes into play. But if you do have some other strong altcoins and do have some meme coins as well, sometimes when the meme coins do turn around, and if they're the right ones, your portfolio can really benefit out of them the most. So that's that, of course. But before we look into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at its market cap, $2.5 billion, and look at the rank at top 49. I'm not surprised at this move. And if we're looking at its 24-hour trading volume, it's currently sitting at $2.2 billion, which is absolutely insane. But before we look at the charts, I just wanted to kind of put this out there, especially for the newcomers coming to the space, because there is a lot of new money flowing into the crypto space right now. Retail interest is starting to spike up, which of course is going to attract new investors to come into the space. And of course, as these meme coins are pumping, people might look into it. So if you're new, or whether if you're in the space for a long time, you do want to be aware of this. And this is coming from the Pepe team themselves. They say, reminder that Pepe is not doing any airdrops, claims, staking, or giveaway rewards. So be cautious and conscious of what websites you connect your wallet to. Always double check for official X usernames and URLs before taking action. Never mindlessly sign a transactions or connect your wallet to a site. There are a lot of wallet drainers hacks going around lately, some targeting Pepe holders. You must be vigilant to protect your assets, and I could not agree more. And good on them, honestly, good on them for coming out and looking after the community. So I will give them props for this, and it's really important. It's not just for Pepe, a lot of other projects, there's insane amount of hacks going on. So you want to be really careful. Number one, you want to make sure the tag is good, the tag is accurate. And also, if you see a random link even on the official Twitter page come out, and it says connect here, you could earn this, or you could do this, you could do that, I wouldn't do that either. I would wait 1 week or 2 weeks until people start confirming this is legitimate before you could go ahead, because of course there's these Twitter accounts that can get hacked as well. So you want to be very careful and protect your assets, because if you don't, no one else will. So this is really important, and I just want to put that out there. If we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance obviously did spike up yesterday all the way up to 54.3%, which I mentioned to you guys yesterday. But since then, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback in the dominance, so that is of course nice to see. But what you're looking at BTC doing right now is exactly what you want Bitcoin to be doing. Today is Sunday. Remember, CME futures are closed. But what you're seeing BTC do is Bitcoin is pushing back up to $63,000, guys. You heard that correct. This is exactly what you want to be seeing Bitcoin doing. And of course, we're looking at the overall Bitcoin momentum really strong over the past 3 days since March started, because we're closing back above $61,000 all 3 days in a row. the daily candle has closed above $61,000. So if your Bitcoin's price is able to close at $63,000 in the next 3 hours and close its daily candle there, this could be really, really nice as we are going into this upcoming week ahead of us. And as you guys know, in my other updates, I did indicate that we could see Bitcoin pushing up to $65,000 resistance. So with that said, let's take a look at Pepe. Man, at this point, this is just mind-blowing. But am I really surprised? Absolutely not, because of course, where the price was sitting yesterday was just indicating that this is going to go more towards the upside. Because what I'm looking at is, if you're looking at it on the closer time scale, the price goes up, hits a new yearly high, and then it chills there. It closes its daily candle there. And now if this is able to close its daily candle exactly where it's at right now, we could even see more upside, believe it or not. And again, these are times everyone waits for. Me personally, as I've projected hundreds of times to you guys already at this point, I do believe Pepe was started, in terms of its overall momentum, was shifted by a little bit of, pressure from massive whales, which could be exchanges or it could be individuals. But, it did trigger what a lot of people, we're hoping for. And not only Pepe is moving right now, guys, meme coins right now are absolutely going insane, and that's what you guys want to be taking a look at. You're pretty much looking at all the meme coins right now. You can see Dogecoin up 77.4%. You're looking at Shiba Inu up 135%. You're looking at Pepe, you're looking at WIF, you're looking at Floki. The list goes on and on. We're in a meme coin season right now. So what's happening is meme coins have the edge against majority of the markets right now. They're the more attractive avenue of people that are coming in and taking a look into and maybe adding it into their portfolios. And the FOMO at this rate is absolutely insane. And if you want to really put this move into perspective, after it broke out of that key resistance level, we did see Pepe go up 188.8%. And what I'm projecting is, now if I were to go into the top 50 projects, of course Pepe is at the top 49. At this point, with the momentum it has for itself, a $3 billion market cap does not surprise me. We've seen Caspa go up to $4 billion market cap without really having any major centralized one exchanges coming and listing it. So we could see something similar. Of course, Caspa is a complete different project compared to Pepe. Pepe is a meme coin at the end of the day, has no utility, but the hype that we have around here, this could help push it to these types of levels, and I would not be surprised if that happens. But that's where I personally would be locking in my profits. And honestly, if I were anyone that were picking up Pepe around the February 1st price, which was just a month back, I would be locking in my profits already. Not all of it. I would be locking in some of it, of course, because that's a 600% move and you do not want to get greedy. But like I said, in the next 3 hours, we do close the daily candle, and if the price of Pepe is able to close its daily candle at this level, and on top of that Bitcoin is able to break out above 63,000 and close its daily candle on that, I could be expecting Pepe reaching another all-time high. And speaking about all-time highs, it's really, really easy for it to hit all-time highs right now because it's in price discovery mode. As you know, price discovery mode, prices can go up really, really high, especially when the demand is there, which it has for itself right now. But this is what I'm currently taking a look at. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Do not forget to lock in some profits. I cannot stress this enough. Do not get greedy, but do let me know if you guys agree and what you guys do not disagree. What you guys disagree on. Do let me know in the comments down below. I cannot talk right now, but I will end it here. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.